Hey, welcome back to another video of Programmer Basics. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your site icon in WordPress account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the address bar, type in wordpress.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Now, click on the WordPress icon which is at the top left corner of your screen. You will see all your sites here. After that, click on the three dots respective to your site. Now click on Settings tab here. After that, you can see Site Icon button. You can change this icon by clicking on Change button from here, or you can also remove this icon by clicking on Remove button. After that, you can add an icon from your local device by clicking on Add New button here. You can also add the icon via a link. Click on this drop-down box and click on Add via URL and type in the URL here and click on Upload button. I have added an icon from my local device. After that, click on Continue button. You can edit the icon on this field here. You can rotate it, flip it, and select the size of your icon. After doing this, click on Done button. After that, you need to click on Save Settings button here. So that is how you can change your site icon in WordPress account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.